Hello everybody, this is Kian, the smart home, and my name is Ali Reza. This tutorial is dedicated to HACS in Home Assistant. HACS is short of Home Assistant Community Store. It gives you a powerful UI to handle your custom needs. It is a manager for downloading and updating your custom elements such as integrations, themes, and plugins, and etc. So HACS can help you download and update your elements. Also, it can help you to discover new awesome stuff. Let's start showing you how to download HACS in Home Assistant and how to use it. Stay tuned. Let's install HACS in Home Assistant. First of all, advanced mode must be enabled in Home Assistant. To enable it, navigate to your profile in Home Assistant. On the left panel, click on your username. You will be directed to your profile. In this page, you will find advanced mode. If it is disabled, enable it. Now let's navigate to configuration. In configuration page, click on add-ons, backups, and supervisor. Terminal and SSH add-on must be installed in your Home Assistant in order to install HACS. If it is not, click on add-on store. In the store, find terminal and SSH, click on it. Here you should see install. Click on install and wait till the add-on installs. After installing the add-on, maybe you should start it. If you see a start here, click on it. I stop the add-on. You see the start. Clicking on it, the add-on is ready to be used. After that, click on Open Web UI in the Terminal and SSH add-on. In this page, we have to paste a code to install the HACS. You can find the codes in description. If pasting the code was not successful, you can write it. Wait till downloading HACS completes. Installation completed. Remember to restart Home Assistant before you configure it. In order to restart Home Assistant, navigate to configuration, click on settings, and click on restart. Okay, wait till Home Assistant reboots. Home Assistant has started. Now we have to go through the HACS initial configuration. Navigate to configuration page by clicking on configuration on the left panel. Click on device and services. Click on add integration. Search for HACS. Select it. In this page, you have to check all items. Before you can set up HACS, you need to acknowledge the following. Click on Submit. The only thing we need to install HACS in Home Assistant is a GitHub account, which is free. If you do not have a GitHub account, you can freely sign up by navigating to github.com. I already have a GitHub account. By clicking on this link which Home Assistant is showing on, we have to enter this code in the opened page. Write down this code, we need it. Then click on the link. In this page, enter the code. Then click on continue. Make sure you trust this device as it will get access to your account. Click on authorize HACS. Congratulations, you are all set done. Let's go back to Home Assistant. Installation is completed. In this page, you can choose a room for your integration, which is HACS. Then click on finish. Installing HACS is done. Now we have to configure it. By clicking on configure, check enable these two items. The other two items is optional. Click on submit. Let's select them. Options successfully saved. Finish. Now HACS is ready to be used. In the sidebar of Home Assistant on the left panel, you can see HACS. By clicking on it, its page opens. By clicking on integrations, you can explore and download integrations. By clicking on explore and download repositories, we will be directed to a list of HACS integrations. You can find integrations and easily install them. For example, Samsung TV Smart. I clicked on it. Here we have a documentation and configuration. By clicking on download this repository and clicking on download, the integration will be installed in Home Assistant. Samsung TV Smart integration is installed. As you see, a restart is necessary. You can restart Home Assistant by navigating to Configuration, Settings, and clicking on Restart. Home Assistant has started. I navigate to HACS page. Select integrations. Now the Samsung TV Smart integration is ready to be used. There are other items such as frontend. I click on it. In this page, you can install themes and Lovelaces. I will upload another video related to themes and Lovelaces in Home Assistant because they have their own procedure. We have also automations. You can download related repositories. By clicking on each item, a pop-up window opens. We have description and app configuration. By clicking on add-ons here in the HACS page, there are no add-ons in HACS, but you can click here to get to the supervisor. By clicking on Go Now, you will be navigated to Supervisor page. By clicking on About, you can read about the HACS. Removing HACS has its own procedures. You can find out its related video, link in description. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave comments. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done already. You can support me by buying me a coffee. I'll see you in the next video.